Get some take-along Kodak fun cameras in the Kmart camera department now.
Well, hello there, guys. Today we're here, the abandoned family video / Subway right here, which is now going to be turned into something like... Nope! Oh no, this is in Shelbyville, Kentucky. As you remember, this was... it's been like 4 months since we filmed this area. And a lot has changed. It was empty before. Now, there was a glass... Oh, there's that one's still. They still have a busted glass open. Oh, here, 24 hours in the. Now, someone just filmed there and he just said the door was unlocked. Oh no, there's a spider. I believe it. Oh, it's not. They don't. Man, I think this isn't even on. Alright, let's see if it's... There we go. There we go, I left my mark. Yeah. Oh, spider. I don't know how many times I have to keep seeing spiders around here. Alright, maybe they're just even working something. I don't know what it's turning into. I don't think it is turning into something in the subway, so I don't think it's what it is. Alright, let's go check the subway out. And this area is almost completely dead. If this one's closed, then this area will be dead. But this area, this is FedEx trucks. It's the last place to remain open. Here's the subway, and see if there's more. Oh, there is. That's my big mark. Oh, that door's locked tight. Let's go to the back. Got the dust on my hand again. Just because I just left big marks of it. That door's really open. Every time this door is almost open, but it just got stuck in half. Let's see if there's any some door gonna be open. Oh, look, the available signs just up. Alright. I don't think there's nothing to see. There's nothing. Nope. Alright, is there nothing to see? Then we're window shoppers.
Use a window shopper.
I'll get on the grass. Just looking for the shop. There's just homeowners. Oh, there's just a homeowner. I guess we're window shoppers.
Use a window shopper.
There's a homeowner. This one is next between the homeowners. Didn't really notice that. We're not a window shopper, if I was wrong.
Use a window shopper.
And let's check the door again. Oh, what the hell was that? Kind of just scared me out my ear. Alright, this one's just some business they use, but... Alright, I wanted to know. Let's take this one more time. Oh my god, I think it is. Oh no, I'll be right back. Yeah, it's locked. I guess his family's gonna watch me. It's locked anyway because we're window shoppers.
Use a window shopper.
there's some stickers right there that I forgot to talk about this. But which one's better, this mark or? It doesn't matter if it is, but it doesn't matter what I mark. But here's a family video sign. Surprisingly, the sign is still up. Because every time it's still up, you will probably never know that this is still up, because the sign is removed right here. They just, I mean, they're not really removed, but it's just even when you know that it's for sale anyway. But hope you guys like this video. Make sure to get a big thumbs up on it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.